A tropical storm approaching Southern California threatened to carry excessive winds that would whip up wildfires and heavy rainfall that would set off flash floods. However, the system will even carry reduction from a brutal, 10-day warmth wave. Tropical Storm K was anticipated to generate wind gusts of as much as 100 miles per hour, probably fanning the flames of the Fairview Hearth, which has already scorched about 27,000 acres in Riverside County, east of Los Angeles. The fireplace, which was 5% contained, has already pressured greater than 35,000 evacuations. The storm, which weakened from hurricane pressure in a single day, was threatening Baja California, different components of Mexico and the U.S. Southwest with heavy rains that would trigger harmful flash flooding, landslides and mudslides, the Nationwide Climate Service stated. The storm will even give California much-needed reduction from the scorching warmth wave it has endured during the last 10 days, NWS meteorologist in Voice South stated.